Hello, myself Vijay Pratap Singh. Today we have to discuss about presentation of data, textual and tabular presentation. With the help of that we have to explain and we have to discuss about presentation of data and how we can able to represent it with the help of textual and with the help of tabular. So we have to discuss about in previous chapter we had learned about the collection of data and representation of data. Same thing we have to revise for a few minutes. So now presentation of data we have to know. In previous chapter I had explained about that. You know about that how data are collected and organized. As data are generally important part of our statistical analysis and they need to be put in compact and presentable form. That one is called textual and tabular. According to that, with proper presentation of data, the values data collected can be made readily usable and are easily compared. With the help of that, we have to know there are generally three forms of presentation of data. First one is a textual or descriptive presentation. Third one, tabular presentation. And fourth one, diagrammatic presentation. With the help of that, one by one we have to discuss each and every one presentation. So first one is given in front of you, textual or descriptive presentation. So it should be given in front of you in the video. You have to see textual presentation of data is a very important part of our presentation of data. First we have to know in the textual presentation data are described within the text. When the quantity of data is not too large, this form of presentation is a more suitable. We can say in front of you two cases are given. We have to discuss. Look at the following cases. Case first. In the Bandha call given on 8 September 2005, prospecting the hit the price of petrol and diesel. 5 petrol pumps were found open and 17 were closed. This is the presentation of textual presentation of data. According to that case second we can say Census of India 2001 reported that there were 49 crore females against 53 crores male. So another thing, 75 crores people lived in the rural India and 28 crores lived in the urban area. This is the explanation given with the help of 2001 census of India. ये 2001 की जनगणना के अनुसार आपको बताया गया है. This is the case first and case second. Same thing we can able to know where it should be suitable. With the help of that we can able to know where this representation and presentation of data is suitable. So first one is given in front of you. Textual presentation of data is the most suitable when first quantity of data is not very large. Second, small data is to be presented as a part of text. For example, instead of saying inflation is worse than unemployment, it would give a better idea if we say that inflation is rising by 8% or as compared to 4% rise in unemployment every year. Next we can say we need to give as expenses of statistical truth of quantitative information. With the help of that we know where this should be suitable for us. And now we have to discuss about the backdraws. It should be, what is the drawback we are getting with the help of textual presentation of data? First one, a series drawback of a textual presentation of data is that one has to go through the complete text of presentation for comprehension. Once again listen, a serious drawback of the textual presentation of data is that one has to go through the complete text of presentation for comprehension. Second, we can say textual presentation of data does not suggest the reader at the mere glance of the text matter. Third, we can say textual presentation of data added to discomfort of the rider or reader in if large area is to be studied. This is the drawback of textual presentation of data. According to that, next one is given tabular presentation of data. Tabular presentation to systematic presentation of numerical data in row of columns. The facilities further statistical analysis, tabulation of a scientific process to present the classified data in an orderly manner so that data are clearly understood. Okay, according to M. Blair, tabulation is the broadest sense is an orderly arrangement of data in columns and rows. It should be given with the M. Blair. Next, we can say objectives of tabulation. The population of